This is one of them you get stuck in. This is a second-hand tailboard that they've bought to go on this, and it is, that's how wide the tailboard is, and that's how wide the hole in the van is. Then these pins are in the wrong place as well for where the locators are. That's 47.5mm. So we need to make this 75mm wider, and then also relocate all these pins. Also that one's missing, because these need to be 40mm lower, realistically 45mm lower, actually more than that, because it's got this metal bit. It need to be 40mm lower than that. Buy some great fresh discs out. Right, let's do it. Well, I got your defenders on, so this might be really loud. Yeah, so cut those two pins off. Take a bit of cleaning up. They can take quite a lot of cleaning up. Of course, the bottom one needs to hang down further than it did, because that's supposed to be 40mm from there to the centre of that pin. And the top one needs to go higher. First thing we need to do is make the whole thing wider. So I'm going to clean this crap off here so it looks a bit, do I care? Oh, I should probably make it look a bit nicer. Right. Wasted a bit of time when my mate popped in, but I haven't seen it for ages, so it's still quite nice. So we've got our extension piece on this side. Need to grind that back a bit more still. This one's pretty good. So I'm going to stitch that down there. Some pretty chunky welds, I think. And then have a look at how big a gap we got remaining to fill. Place in South Wales. And probably what we're going to have to do is notch this box section. I might do that before I go home. So what I'll do is tack this for now. Don't do big welds before you go, just before you go home. And then see where we go from there. What's that other pin? Now line up something like that, I think. See, that needs cleaning as well. Easy if you say it fast. This is turning into a ball ache. Because of the way the pit, we'll see in a minute. I want the plate to space the pin across. So just going to tack a minute, tack, and see how it looks. Well, try it. It's just not that easy because it weighs quite a bit. Right, we tacked. I've had to move this point down and across. Cut off the angle iron. Goes across the bottom, and then move this one down slightly more as well. So now we're like 45mm down. I've rotated it slightly to try and get it right. Oh, there we go. Right, let's see if it fits. This side's gone. Alright, I'm not going to show you the other side. There's a bit more contamination around here, which is strong, just not. Well, this isn't pretty, don't get me wrong. Well, that's not bad. So I've got to put another seam down the side of my upper retention bolt. Then flip it over, seam down there, across the bottom of this bracket. And I think, and cut that extra bolt off there. And then we're getting it. And we'll have that. It's on there. Put some wing nuts on, obviously they weren't using. I didn't tighten that on it for some reason. Anyway. It's not going anywhere. This side's a little bit pre-tensioned, but floor's not exactly flat, so yep, lovely, happy days.